Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. C. So, it's World Mental Health Day 2020. Let's watch, rewind and enlighten ourselves about various mental health issues arising out of neglect,
abuse,
rejection,
technology.
and lack of self-esteem.
Let us take the first example of heartbreak, which can lead to depression.
Whenever you needed me, I was always there for you.
हर चीज का ना एक्सपायरी डेट होता है। अग्नि इस रिलेशनशिप का एक्सपायरी डेट हो चुका है।
It's very important to prioritize mental health as well as physical health. So the solution can be visiting a psychologist.
मेरे को भी लगता है कि शायद अगर मैं प्रोफेशनल हेल्प लूँ या किसी से बात करूँ तो मैं बेटर हो सकती हूँ।
Another solution can be a close friend or a close family member, right?
मेरे को प्यार की नहीं एक अच्छे दोस्त की बहुत ज़रूरत है और वो मेरे को तुमसे मिला है ऋषि।
Similarly, a traumatizing breakup can also be a very harrowing experience.
I can't move on from you. Why don't you understand this?
But you have moved on. We both have. And you're saying all this all over again because you're drunk.
And the solution to that is to be friends with your ex or simply cry it out and move on.
But at least we have something to laugh about now.
Well, we also promise not to let mutual acquaintances influence our opinion of each other.
Or else, how do you think we got this far?
So much sarcasm, yeah.
Another very common form is anxiety. For example, hypochondria, which is another health anxiety issue.
Romile chickenpox nahi hai. Trust me.
तो कहिए.
You are a hypochondriac.
Please check this brown spot on my hand. Is it normal?
The solution we showed here was again taking medical advice.
What? Hypochondriac? What is that?
Chronic, abnormal anxiety about one's health. You're just fine, Romil. You need not come to my chamber every week. And you overcome your anxiety. Have confidence in yourself, and I'm there to help you.
Very often, we face social awkwardness in various situations of life.
Mom, I think you should once listen to Ronak sing. He has such an amazing voice.
Actually, it does get awkward singing in front of people who might be just there to judge me after all, you know.
The solution is to get out of your comfort zone and try and interact with more people.
I'll teach you a technique or two by which you can overcome the initial fright. And I know you will shine like a star, my son.
In our childhood, many of us have experienced bullying from our peers as well as from our seniors.
So dude, what do you want to order?
Just a knife.
He is the guy, Gina, who used to mock me in school as a fat guy. He is a sick person altogether. I'm not gonna sit with him anymore.
The solution is forgiveness, whether asked or not asked.
Chalo, forget everything and be friends.
I said
That's the
no.
way.
Life is too short to hate.
Trolling or maligning a person on social media is an evil we see rampant nowadays.
मुझे उसका सोशल नेटवर्किंग अकाउंट हैकिंग करना है और उसके बाद उसके अकाउंट में क्या पोस्ट करना है.
You have shown complete disregard for school rules via your posts on a social networking site. You stand rusticated.
Yes, so trolling is a very common phenomenon. And what is the solution? Either find the culprit or, if you can, simply ignore the troll. There's nothing better than ignoring and letting the haters burn.
In the COVID-19 times, people in our country are grappling with poverty at the highest level.
হুজুর, আমার 2 বিঘা জমিটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন হুজুর। প্লিজ। ওটা ছাড়া আমার আর কিচ্ছু নেই।
अबे चल हाथ.
The solution sometimes is not in our hands, sometimes it's karma. And once in a while, karma can be a blessing to the good and a beep to the bad.
The verdict was out. The cruel zamindar had lost his case. The poor farmer retained his 2 bighas of land, and he and his sisters lived happily ever after.
So let us see another example of poverty.
बेटा आज स्कूल मत जाना, बहुत ठंड है.
क्यों? मेरा स्वेटर है ना, वो दे दो.
बेटा भैया का एग्जाम है. वो स्वेटर पहन के गया है। बाहर बहुत ठंड है, आज तुम्हें स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ेगा।
And here, the solution was the art of giving. There's nothing like helping somebody in need, is there?
अर्चना, जरा सुनो, इसमें तुम्हारे दोनों बेटों के लिए स्वेटर्स है। तुम इतने सालों से हमारे साथ हो, लेकिन तुम्हें कभी कुछ दिया नहीं।
We often see young girls being subjected to eve teasing in and around the city at any point in the day.
देख भाई देख क्या आइटम है, क्या चल रही है, कब से मारा
प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
कुछ नहीं।
The solution, first and foremost, is for us boys and men to educate ourselves or be educated properly by our parents. And along with that, of course, girls need to carry pepper spray. But why should a situation arise where they need to?
ये मेरी बहन है और आज से तेरी, समझा बच्चा? जा।
Fuck!
So many a times people find themselves trapped with an abusive partner.
You're hurting me, Ashok!
Nita! Nita, we are not done yet!
The solution is to leave immediately or and report them as required.
I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. I'm calling the police. Hello, police?
Nowadays, people find so much of stress even at the workplace.
रिचा, मेरी कॉफी ला दो प्लीज।
यस बॉस, बस मैं ये असाइनमेंट खत्म करके जाती हूँ।
नहीं, अभी लाओ।
मैंने ज्वाइन किया था आईटी डिपार्टमेंट में, पर अब मैं कॉफी मशीन बन गई हूँ।
Solution is to be firm and stand your ground. Don't be a doormat and leave where you need to.
What is this?
My resignation letter. आपके किचन में एक कॉफी मशीन है, उसके लिए एक आईटी स्पेशलिस्ट हायर करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, समझिए आप?
Rejection at job interviews.
12 इंटरव्यूज दे चुकी हूँ मैं और कहीं से कॉल नहीं आया। एक जगह से आया तो सैलरी इतना लो है कि
इट्स ओके मौसी, आप कोशिश करते रहिए, हो जाएगा।
Or similarly, rejection at college applications.
मैंने 5 कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई कर लिया, लेकिन 83% इज टू लेस फॉर देम।
पिया, मैं तुझे जानता हूँ, तू गिव अप करने वालों में से नहीं है। मुझे 91% मिलके भी अपने ड्रीम कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं मिला। So what?
Solution is to keep trying till you get one.
पिया मुझे नौकरी मिल गया, ये! थैंक यू सो मच पिया। कभी कभी छोटे भी हमें सीख दे देते हैं। तूने मुझे सिखाया कि हमें रिजेक्शन को पॉजिटिवली लेना चाहिए।
चलो, मुझे एडमिशन तो मिल गया। Not in my dream college because reality isn't always perfect, but a good college nevertheless.
Congrats!
We all face rejections at different stages of our life, but the hardest is when there is rejection from a close one or family members.
3 इंटरव्यूज देकर आए हो चाचा, कल 2 और है, एक में तो लग जाएगा।
तीनों में रिजेक्ट हो गया ना, और बाकी दोनों में भी रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा।
चाचा, आप इतना डिमोटिवेट क्यों करते हो? अरे एक बार तो मोटिवेट करके देखो।
The solution is simply to cut off ties with such toxic people wherever required.
I'm gonna leave this house today itself. देख लेना।
There is a lot of pressure on kids nowadays due to studies or due to sibling comparisons.
This is not your talent. You go study. But mom, even Galu is not studying.
I have already completed my lessons and this is the time for me to practice piano.
Yes. I also want to learn the piano.
With these falling grades, you cannot afford to do that. You better study. Go back to your room and get along with your studies.
The solution is for parents to strike a balance such that the kids can also nurture their talents along with studies, and at the same time, there should not be sibling comparisons.
ये कंपैरिजन यही खत्म करते हैं। And let's work together ना? मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूँ। And let's both rock on. Let the both of us rock.
यही तो है मेरा बबलू।
Be it a person going through mental illness or not, We all experience the Navras or the 9 emotions at certain point in our life or the other.
So Navras means 9 emotions.
The solution, that is the most important Navras according to me, is Karuna or kind-heartedness, and of course Hasya or laughter. So in Karuna, it's most important to have empathy, that is understanding each other, which is the crux of this YouTube channel, Mr. C.
It also includes empathy, yani ki understanding other people's situation. Empathy rather than sympathy.
Technology addiction often divides the family at a dinner table.
The solution is to limit your technology consumption in terms of viewing, besides work where possible, and definitely 1 hour before sleep, switch off your devices for a night of deep sleep.
What's your problem?
In the award-winning short film Naughty Nan, we saw a child taking his imagination to another level and thinking of an imaginary granny where his parents were subjecting him to neglect.
My poor mum thought you were an engineer, but you turned out to be some semi-illiterate.
You're getting too far. I'm sick and tired of all this. You sick little boy.
Nan! Nan, wake up!
What do you think you're doing?
The solution is to prioritize your child over your work and other aspects. Please do not neglect your child. You brought them into the world.
This is the second time though. I'm sorry, but I will have to inform social services.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Rathore. But we will be keeping an eye on Cheval for the next 3 months.
Due to life-threatening or incurable diseases, many people develop certain complexes which are very harmful for them.
मुझे बचपन से एड्स है। हाँ! मुझे एड्स है। मैं ये बीमारी लेकर पैदा हुई थी।
Solution is firstly acceptance, then a positive attitude, and receiving a lot of love from the people at close quarters.
फिजिकल लव इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। मुझे तुम्हें जिंदगी भर प्यार करना है।
मैं तुम्हारी जिंदगी खराब नहीं कर सकती मीर।
जिया, तुम मेरी जिंदगी हो। तुम्हारे बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ। मेरा साथ दो प्लीज।
Another instance of lack of self-esteem arising from an underlying situation such as vitiligo.
Obstacle 5. Depression personal, and Obstacle 6. Depression professional. Many think that vitiligo leads to depression and anxiety, hampering personal and professional life. And while this is true for many people, I am fortunate that I do not have depression.
The solution is often and should always be self-love. Love yourself. Pick up a hobby that you like, pick up a sport that you like, and surround yourself with positive people.
There were a few who felt I was not suited to be a model or an actress. But I proved the naysayers wrong when I recently modeled for designer Ayush Kejriwal, again to spread awareness about vitiligo. I have also been a part of short films, including this and last week's Smoothie Saturday, Life is Too Short to Hate. Celebrate your individuality, like I'm celebrating mine.
So if you want us to make more videos on mental health and empathy, do let us know in the comments below on what other issues you would like us to make these videos so that we can reach out to you with more such videos. And do like,
share,
subscribe